Hello friends, today is the 20th of February 2018, and today I want to discuss that good health, that returning your health taking much amount of time. So, and I want to give some examples. Today and the previous days I every day, every day I have the similar activities. For example, I'm extracting the juice from carrots and beetroots, and this procedure takes 2 hours for me. And I just get only 1 liter of juice, and maybe I do this very slowly. Maybe it is possible to extract juice more fastly. I don't know. I need to investigate this in the internet to check. Maybe it is possible to enhance this activity. So, and besides of this, it is preparing ginger in boiled water. It's some contrasting procedures like hot and cold shower, and preparing salads and preparing food, and it takes about half of the day in the sum, and also sometimes it is necessary to remove, for example, the dust in the room, to change filters for the water, some cassettes, and it is very important that also when you are returning the health, the state of the body, it is not good and is not energetic all the time. So, and it is quite hard to do all of this. So, and for example, now I'm doing I'm using turpentine baths, not every day, but one every third, every fourth, like this, every third, every fourth day. So many activities, and energy is not so is not so strong. And also every day I go for a walk. I go for a walk and for jogging, to do jogging, and to do some exercises, to stretch the body, something like this. And this also takes time and energy. So this is not 1 week. This is not most important, very important thing, that also very important thing, that it is not 1 week. It is not 1 or 2 or 3 weeks. It's even not 1 month. It is durable program that can last 1, 2, 3 years, as I see. So, and I will continue. Thank you very much for being with me. Hello from Moscow. Wish you to be healthy and strong. Bye bye for now.